Hi friends, myself Gautam. Today I will tell you how you can easily do web scraping from without any coding skills for images. In next video I'll tell you how you can do web scraping for content. So today my topic is I'll take Google image site and one e-commerce site. It may be Flipkart or it may be Amazon. Okay, let's begin. To carry out this process, you need to have a software that is nothing but Parse Hub. You need to download. This is the link. You can follow this. Once you click this, it will open like this, and you can select respective system, Mac, Windows, Linux. Once you click respective, then it's a simple process. Follow the instruction and you can install easily this software. Once you are done with installation, let's begin with the main task. You can open the Parse Hub application like this, and you need to click in new project to start with. Here you need to mention the URL from where you want to extract. Let's take we'll extract images. Let's take of dog from Google. I'll go for image, then I'll copy this URL. I can paste the URL either here or here, anything is fine. I'll paste here, then start project on this URL. Okay, it's showing the web page here. To do this, because here the problem is this is a scrolling pages. I can show you in my browser. You can see once you scroll the pages, it will load. See, loading. Okay, and in e-commerce, let's take the example of Flipkart. It's a next page option. You can see here next page. So I'll give you the example for both. For scrolling, what you need to do is you need to select in plus icon, then you need to go for advanced. You need to click in scroll. Here scroll is enable, so it will ask how many scroll you want, 5 scroll, 10 scroll. The more the number of scroll, it takes time to give you the image URL. So as of now I am entering here to scroll I record. It is bottom side, align to bottom side scrolling, and to scroll I record. I don't record much. Okay, so once this is done, I need to select here, then I need to select the icon, select, then first I need to select first image, adding. You can see here the similar image will be shown highlighted with yellow color. You can see this is highlighted in yellow color, this is not. This is also highlighted in yellow color. It takes around 60 minutes to highlight all the images, scroll images. Okay, you need to wait sometimes for a while until all the images get scrolled and highlighted with yellow colors. So these are not highlighted, might be this is not scroll within my to scroll limit. Anyways, let's see how it goes. Or you can increase the scroll by clicking here. You can give more scroll option here. Okay, so we are here. So I had selected only one image. I need to select one more image so that it will automatically select two. See, sometimes what happen, normally after selecting second image, it need to select all the highlighted yellow color images. It is not happening here. Sometimes it will not happen. For that case, you need to select third image also. You can see the count only 3. Even other image is not selected. So you need to wait for a while. Then again you can select fourth image. Suddenly you can see it will be increased. The number of count will be suddenly increased. Okay, I am selecting now fourth image also. You can see 100 images. It takes time to select all the images. Once you are done with this, you need to just click in get data. From here only we are extracting the URL. Then you need to select here run to get the file in CSV or other format like JSON. It takes little bit time. Yes, it's started. Once it is done, it will be highlighted in green color. Once you click here, you can able to export this file. So I have already exported file. I'll show you for that. As of now, I'll do cancel because it will take time. It may be sometimes take 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes also. So as of now, I'm doing cancel so that I can show you the Flipkart process also. So I have a file. This is the file. Once I export this file, I'll get the link of images like this. I'll show you here. Like this, you can able to see the image link. Okay. So I'll take two link from here. Then in addition to Parse Hub, we require one more extension in Google Chrome. This is nothing but tabs to download Chrome extension. You can click here, tab save. You can add this extension to here. This is nothing but this extension. So you need to click in edit icon. You can paste all the URLs here, whatever the URLs you have. Just click in download button. It downloads the images. You can see here, this is one image, this is another image. Two images we have downloaded. So to download the image with Parse Hub, you need to have this extension. This is nothing but tabs to download, or we can say tab save. Okay, this is how you can download the images from Google or other site. Only thing is, in case of Google and Bing, you even though I'll show you here. 1 second. Even though here the count will be 3000, 4000 images you are able to select, but while exporting the file you will not able to export all the file. It may be 60 or 70. I tried 2 times, same thing happened for me. You can also try from your side. If you are able to export around more than 500 image URL, please let me know in the comment section also. And this is the drawback in case of Google image download and Bing image download. You can use my other application, other Python code using proxy, where you can able to download Google image of up to 320 with proxy. You can, I'll share the link of that video. You can follow that, and the code is updated in GitHub. So this is how you can extract the images from Google. Then right now I'll go for Flipkart, one e-commerce site. This I am looking for mobile, so I'll copy this URL of Flipkart. Then I'll paste the URL here. Start project on this URL. I need to click. Once I clicked here, I can able to see all the details here. So here I need to click in plus icon. Then I need to click in select button. Then I need to click first image. Then you can see the highlighted image in yellow color. It takes around 60 seconds or sometimes more to highlight all the images. You need to wait for a while until and unless all the images are highlighted. All the images are highlighted, so you can select next image. You can see all the 24 images are selected here. We don't record two URL. This is extract URL. We don't record. We record only extract image URL. It is mentioned in below also. You can see here. These are the extract URL. So this is done. Once this first page is selected, I need to go for plus option. Let me reach next page button. Here is the next. So I need to click in plus, then I need to click select. Then I need to click next. Here I need to expand this. I don't record the URL. Delete. I don't record the extract section. Delete. I need to click in here, click option. Then it will ask, is next a next page button? We need to select yes. Then you need to enter how many next pages you want. Next 2 pages, next 3 pages. If it is 0, then it will look for all the pages. If it is available for 100 pages, it will export all the 100 pages images. So I'll not give that. I'll give next 2 pages. Okay. Repeat current template. This is the template. We are using the same template. Okay. Click here. So it is loading. So once done, we need to click in get data. Once there, we need to click in run. It will start, and in fact it will notify to your email ID, also registered email ID. So once it is done, it will show in green color highlighted. Then you can click here CSV or Excel. it will be download. Once it is download, I'll show how exactly the file will be. It will be something like this, and you can copy the URL from here. Then you can go for this tab to download, edit, paste the URL, all the URL. You can click download icon. All the images will be downloaded from here. You can see here. This is one image. This is one image. Two images we have downloaded. So this is done. In my, I'll cancel this. In my next video, I'll show how you can write a condition to export the data. Suppose here it is showing coming soon. I don't want those images. So how you can write a condition, mainly if it is not available. Or in next video I'll add up how you can extract all the content in CSP, which will be helpful for building a recommendation engine, or maybe doing computer analysis. If you are building a recommendation engine for book section, or maybe for movie section, you can do that by exporting all those details. I'll show you that in details in my next video. Thank you for watching the video.